Okay, here's a fun switch. This is called a reed switch. And if you look inside there, there's a little plate of metal inside of a vacuum tube. And I'm going to show you how that works with the magnet. But if you look at the top here, if I touch here, nothing happens because that circuit is open. But if I touch here, the circuit is touching. So it's always on. So this one's always on, this one's always off. But if I want to manipulate that, I could just take a magnet, turn it on, see that? Or if it's already on and I want to shut it off, I could take a magnet and do the same thing. So that's a reed switch. You'll find them probably like window alarms and stuff like that. So there's that one, and then I'll show you they come in pretty small sizes too. I put them in these cute little tubes I bought at Axeman Surplus. It's like a store that sells a lot of surplus stuff that companies get rid of, and these little vials were kind of cool, so I decided to put my little reed switches in here to protect them from breaking and stuff. So here's some small version reed switches. These are single reed switches that are, I think they're normally closed circuits. There it is right there. But cool little switches for magnets. The reed switch, very inexpensive. You probably find them online too.